Climate change isn't a distant storm on the horizon. It's here. It's now. Devastating floods, rising sea levels, unrelenting heat waves, raging wildfires, and harvests failing where fields once thrived. These are no longer headlines and isolated events. They are the symptoms of our planet in distress. But we are not powerless. Together, we can rewrite this narrative, one solution at a time. Six companies, 6 student-led innovations, 1 shared mission to build a more sustainable world. Through the NYAA HSBC-ITE Initiative, students are working hand-in-hand with businesses to cut carbon emissions and drive real change.
Young people are not just the leaders of tomorrow, they are the change makers of today. Through the HSBC-NYAA-ITE Initiative, we are empowering students to take the lead in developing practical solutions in partnership with our local industries. The outcomes has been remarkable. This student-led innovation clearly show that simple ideas can drive meaningful change and can reduce carbon emission. It is a powerful reminder that when we trust and invest in our youth, they will shape a more sustainable future for all.
Water is sacred in every religion, but it's also a precious, infinite resource. Wudu or ablution is the Islamic ritual purification procedure performed before offering prayers in the mosques. The procedure involves washing face, hands, and feet with water. The ITE students observed the way worshippers used water for ablution. They found out through a water audit that the traditional way of ablution involves running water far longer than necessary, leading to a lot of water being wasted. The water audit helped the students design a device called Wise Wudu. The device, fitted with sensors, helps regulate and conserve running water by about 85%. In other words, every worshipper was consuming about 6.3 litres of water for wudu or ablution. And with Wise Wudu, it was brought down to 775 millilitres. That's just a little over half a regular water bottle. It is a powerful reminder that conservation doesn't have to come at the cost of culture. It can coexist. Nestled in the heart of Singapore, Park Royal Collection Pickering, with its iconic hotel-in-a-garden design, is more than just a luxury hotel. It is all for embracing eco-friendly solutions to reduce carbon emissions. To deal with the enormous amount of waste produced by its kitchens, the hotel embarked on a project with ITE students. They devised methods to transform discarded shells into something extraordinary. From non-toxic, biodegradable detergents to elegant candle holders and sustainable construction materials. Using an innovative process involving heat treatment and acid conversion, this upcycling effort has the potential to reduce over 600,000 kilograms of carbon emissions annually. Park Royal and these students are lighting the path toward a cleaner, greener future, one shell at a time. In the heart of a bustling cafeteria, a popular juice stall churns out servings of fresh fruit drinks by the dozen. But behind the counter, a silent problem grows. Mountains of fruit waste, especially watermelon rinds, dumped by the bagload every single day. Most people walk past without a second thought. But for an ITE team of young innovators, this wasn't just trash. It was an opportunity. Fruivous pots naturally break down in the soil, enriching it with nutrients and eliminating the need for plastic. No waste, no pollution. It's just a more innovative circular solution. These biodegradable pots can reduce carbon emissions by about 54%. From fruit to waste, from waste to life, Fruvis is closing the loop for a greener tomorrow. The global food system is one of the biggest drivers of climate change, and meat production is at the heart of it. A typical beef burger emits about 3 to 6 kilograms of carbon dioxide per serving. If a person eats one beef burger every day, this can add up to around 1,100 to 2,200 kilograms of CO2 emissions per year. But what if the burger on your plate could help cool the planet and show kindness to animals? In collaboration with Wholesome Savor, ITE students created the Kindness Meat Burger. It is a plant-based, clean-label patty. The burger is rich in nutrition and flavor. It also has a 94% smaller carbon footprint than a traditional beef patty. Kindness Meat is more than a meal. It has the potential to create a better and greener future. The marine industry powers global trade, but beneath the surface, it also contributes to major industrial pollution. Inside shipyards and workshops, the cleaning of engine parts is a routine task. Yet it relies on outdated methods. Harsh chemicals, excessive water use, high energy consumption, and workers exposed to toxic fumes. It is a problem hidden in plain sight. However, a team of ITE students collaborating with a marine engineering firm, they designed an intelligent solution, a closed-loop smart parts washer. By filtering and reusing the cleaning fluid, it cuts down water waste and eliminates the need for harmful solvents. The smart washer designed by the ITE team helps to reduce water and energy use by up to 7%. Air conditioning is essential in our warming world. Ironically, it's also a major contributor to climate change, not just through electricity, but because of something less visible: refrigerant leaks. These invisible gases, often unnoticed and unregulated, can be thousands of times more potent than carbon dioxide in trapping heat in our atmosphere. Just 1 kilogram of leaked refrigerant can have the same climate impact as driving a car for 6 months. And yet, leaks are alarmingly common. With BMS Engineering, ITE students designed the Smart Refrigerant Leak Detector, a compact, affordable device that continuously monitors for leaks and reports them in real time through WhatsApp and email. This allows for swift intervention, reducing emissions, improving system efficiency, and saving costs. The leak detector is found to bring CO2 emissions down by 23%. It's a game changer for climate action in the HVAC sector.
At HSBC, we believe that change begins when we invest in the people who will lead it. It starts with empowering the next generation to lead with purpose, passion, and vision. That's why we're proud to support this meaningful partnership with the NYAA Council, ITE, and the business community for the past 5 years. What inspires us most is the spirit of the students, their creativity, drive, and courage to lead change. This initiative shows that sustainability is not a trade-off. It's a pathway to stronger communities, better business, and a brighter future.
We are standing at a crossroads. One path leads us deeper into crisis, the other toward regeneration, resilience, and renewal. The difference lies not in resources, but in resolve. These young innovators have shown us what's possible when courage meets creativity. For the earth, for our communities, for the generations yet to come. The time to act is not tomorrow, it's today. Let us step forward together toward a truly sustainable future.